Welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed the Jackfest vlog, but today we're back and we need to get my headlight fixed on my car, because I don't know if you've seen on any of my Instagram reels or my posts, but I had these bulbs in and the light colour changing, so they go from yellow, warm white and then bright white, but for some reason they won't flash and they won't main beam. So what I did do is I put some normal H4s back in after having the yellow lights for a bit, and for some reason one light's gone out already, so we're at the unit and we're going to try and get it fixed. So what we did last time, we actually replaced all the wiring for this one, but now it's this one that's the problem. So I think the first call is to probably redo all of this mess. Oh, we'll have a look anyway. No wonder it wasn't working. It's smashed. Oh no, that's not good. I know, after all my hard work.
That's one of the best tools. Is it? Yeah.
Turned out a fuse had blown and I did a really good job from that. While we're here, I've also got my belts that need replacing because they're still squeaking. They have been squeaking like since I got the car, but I've got my gasket as well, but we're not doing that today. So we're gonna have a look at the belts now.
Put it on the wrong position.
It's all...
Yeah, you're gonna have to use a flathead skate off in the first place, I think, because it's not fitting around it.
Yeah,
Phillips. Phillips first. Round two. Hey. Put some pressure on it.
Should come off now.
That's in the way there.
But that bolt there, and slacken that off there. It's 12 mil, so you need it. It's 12 on the socket and 12 span on this side.
Hold on, push it down.
Yeah. Oh, hang on, it's my hand.
Pull it back.
Pull it back.
Hold it tight and then loosen.
It's not loose enough. You have to go again.
Go again.
It's still not. Turning on the back. Come on. Yeah, it's turning on the back. That's why. Need
Right.
12 mil. Oh, spanners. Use it like a ratchet. There you go.
That's the one. Do the bottom.
That's enough. That's it.
Oh,
That's enough.
no more.
Take it off.
Take it off.
That's loose. Now, you have to undo that one. Come on. Come on. Right. That's enough.
That'll do.
Now, you are supposed to undo the bottom ones on these, but
Which one am I doing now?
you know what we want is behind that pulley there.
Yeah.
You can't see it, so you're going to have to turn the engine over. Is it in gear?
No.
No, it's alright then. Right.
Watch how he does this now.
When you're turning the engine over by hand,
Yeah.
never turn it backwards. Never turn it that way,
Yeah.
because it'll make the timing chain jump.
Right.
Always that way, clockwise.
Yeah.
What's that?
Right. The bolt's in there now.
So it's through that little hole.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah.
I'll have to use it like a ratchet.
Let's tie that one.
Go on,
Oh,
you've got it.
well.
Come
There you go.
There you go. See how it dropped then?
Yeah.
That's all you need. And that.
Steven said this was easy before.
We wouldn't have been able to do this on our own.
What are you trying to say?
Wouldn't even know what bloody bolts one do for that.
Way.
It's actually new.
Is it?
Yeah. Nearly. 12 mil there. Dirty rotten bastard.
Oh, well.
Is it still easy?
That's hot.
Oh.
Yeah, it's under there. So if you take them, crack them two 12s off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still too easy. Still easy. Might be.
So that one there,
That one there.
and then
Watch your knuckles
Watch
on
your
next week.
knuckles.
Yeah.
Watch your knuckles here.
Give you a tip, Lucy. When you're doing something, don't grab your ratchet like that. Just put your palm on your hand like that.
yeah.
Just push.
I don't want to do what Bob did.
No. If you grab it like that, if you slip,
You never give me this
you're
advice.
punching it. She's never asked.
You didn't. She didn't ask. You're looking after her, aren't you?
Oh. You're daft enough to look after yourself.
I'm not.
That's loose enough now,
That's
isn't
loose
it?
enough,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you'll have to take the extension off
Yeah, that's
and
sad.
get that side one.
Take this off.
Yeah.
Just gotta go for that one next. That's behind that wire. Just there.
But people have taught.
Yeah, like me.
Oh no.
He's nearly still not taught me.
That pipe's in the way.
Right. Take that off. It'll be easy with this.
Take this off.
The good dagger. Call that a good dagger. It's not a good dagger.
Ratchet. No, the dagger's in there.
The dagger.
Way, so put it on and
That's hot.
you'll get the wipe.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one. Oh no. Too short. Too short, Tom. Too short.
What? How's that?
Right. I'm going to pose a question to you now, Lucy. That's too short.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do to fix that?
I'll probably get a new belt.
No. You've got adjustment there.
Alright.
So that screw there,
Yeah.
that big long one, that's your adjustment. So if you slacken that off more, that pulley will move that way.
Right, okay. Do that.
Yeah.
Which one was...
That one. How you've got it set up now.
That one that I pulled before?
Yeah.
Just do it a bit more.
Yeah. Go on. Keep going. Right. Try that. Really hot that engine.
Yeah. Well,
It's going to need a little bit more because it's just quite, not quite. Right.
Stop.
That's right on stop now. Oh no.
Oh, it's going. There she blows.
Right.
Yeah.
yeah.
That's that.
That
So
neat.
now
Tighten that back up.
you tighten it. Go on. And you watch the belt tighten. See the thing's coming up.
Yeah.
Go on a bit more. Is that stop that?
Oh.
That's it, come on. Right, I'll do.
Yeah.
Nice. So we need to tighten that one up, bolt up underneath again
That
now.
bolt underneath
Yeah.
and that bolt there.
Yeah.
Ah.
Did it get you?
Yeah.
That's tight. Oh, as far as that will do it. Now you need your ratchet.
Ratchet.
Useless filming skills.
Sorry.
I'd say.
Why, what did you just do?
I just put the belt on.
Oh. Oh.
You missed it.
I know, I'm sorry.
But yeah.
It's all done, yeah?
Not yet.
No, I'm just starting it all.
Ah.
It's a bit hot.
It's very warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you're turning over the engine again to find that finger.
Find the hole on the.
Yeah.
More. I'll give you another tip, Lucy.
Put another
When
bar.
it's hard like that,
Yeah.
When you got little arms like that.
what you can do,
Ah.
Need a bigger bolt, a bigger socket.
leverage.
Oh, it's one side.
Ooh.
Easier.
Yeah. So much easier. Where is it now? It's a bit further.
A bit more, yeah. Right. So
That should be right.
that should be
yeah.
right. I'll take that off the crank. You shouldn't need that again now.
No.
What's that
It's so hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
What have we got to do now, Luce?
Put my air filter back on. And then we're done.
And we're done. I think your clutch can wait for now.
Can move
Oh yeah.
that up there.
I'm
it.
moving that.
Yeah.
You can do it.
If you want, slacken it off a bit more.
Up that. So can't get that back.
Nice and easy.
No.
No, keep
That
that
doesn't
up.
go like that.
Keep it up
Just
there.
Keep it up there.
It's easy to
It's
get
Why
easy.
did
to.
they put it down there?
No idea. But just keep it up there, you got access to it.
Is that the right way?
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
All done.
Nice. Let's hope it don't squeak.
No, not after that.
Try it.
Try it.
It doesn't do it every time.
Sounds good to me. Yeah?
Well, we had a look at the master cylinder that we picked up the other week and we've noticed that it's the wrong one. So we're at GSF now to just double check, and if it is the wrong one we'll see if we can get it swapped. So we went to GSF and it turns out I think you can actually use that master cylinder in my car. We just think that someone might have swapped out the current one and that's why it looks a bit different. But I've just popped to B&M and I've got myself a charging port so I can finally charge my phone in my car. I'm trying to think of what to do now because I'm free for the rest of the day. Might go and clean her actually. Yeah, we'll go do that. Well, it's actually been a few hours since my last clip because I decided to just go home, I just chilled for a bit, and now I'm finally here to wash my car because it's absolutely filthy. So I'm gonna start doing that now. This is what she's looking like before. Absolutely filthy. So we'll do a before and after. She's all soapy now, but I need to hurry up before I run out of time. Well, I don't think she's looking too bad for a quick 10-minute wash. Definitely better than before. 1000%. Ooh, she's shiny. Well, it's safe to say that I'm definitely being leaked on now because the seal here is broken. Right where my arm goes as well, but well, never mind, at least she's looking a little bit better now. But I'm gonna head off home now. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog and I'll see you in the next one.